Welcome to https.adc.com, Uganda's largest marketplace. Today, we're diving into what's next for drone ownership. We've got some recent insights you shared. Our plan is to unpack the key trends, figure out what responsible ownership really looks like going forward. So what's new and exciting? What innovations should we be watching?
Well, the big thing, really, is the intelligence drones are getting. AI-powered navigation. Expect them to get much, much smarter about finding their way around, you know?
So not just remote control anymore, something more.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Identifying the best routes, dodging things, all with less direct human control, more autonomy.
Okay. And this smarter AI leads to other things.
Right. It opens the door for swarm technology.
To swarms, like lots of drones working together.
Exactly. Think about managing crowds, maybe. Getting a really wide view that one drone just couldn't manage on its own.
It's interesting. Crowd management. And it's not just about looking, is it? You mentioned delivery, too.
Absolutely. Autonomous delivery systems, that's becoming much more realistic. Drones that can handle the whole delivery process themselves. Pick up, fly, drop off.
Wow, okay. That could really shake up logistics. But with all this new power, what about the rules? Are they keeping up?
That's the other side of the coin, yeah. As the tech advances, the regulations have to evolve. We're expecting stricter privacy rules.
Makes sense. More drones flying around, more potential for looking where they shouldn't.
Precisely. People are concerned about that, and regulations will need to address it.
Right. Any other changes in how we manage the airspace?
Well, there's talk of designated drone corridors, sort of like specific lanes in the sky just for drones.
Highways for drones to keep things orderly and safe.
That's the idea. Managing the traffic as it grows.
And stopping them from going into sensitive areas, like airports.
Yeah, that's where mandatory geofencing comes in. It's tech that basically builds virtual fences, stops the drone from flying into restricted zones automatically.
Like a safety default. Okay, so for you listening, with smarter drones, but also more rules, is getting a drone still a good idea? The source materials seemed pretty positive, saying absolutely. Why?
I think the enthusiasm comes from just how much you can do with them. It's exhilarating, right? Aerial photos, videos, but also really useful stuff. Inspections, mapping, even search and rescue in some cases. The potential is huge.
But it's not all fun and games, is it? There's a serious side.
Definitely. It's like owning a car, you know?
Yeah.
It's great, it gives you freedom, but you have a responsibility.
You have to follow the rules, drive safely.
Exactly. Operate it safely, respect the regulations, respect people's privacy. That's key.
That privacy point seems really important.
It is. You wouldn't stare into someone's window from the street, right? Same principle applies up there. You need to learn the ropes, fly responsibly.
So wrapping this up, if someone's thinking about getting into drones, what's the bottom line?
Look, they offer amazing possibilities. They can be fun, practical, even life-saving.
But there's always a but.
Right. But that capability comes with real responsibility. You have to take it seriously.
So ownership is fine, maybe even for anyone, as the source said, if they're willing to be responsible.
That seems to be the consensus, yeah. As long as you're willing to learn the rules, stay informed, and fly considerately.
The warning was about not flying blindly into trouble.
Exactly. Know what you're doing, understand the regulations, respect safety, respect privacy. It's non-negotiable, really.
So what does this all mean for you? The future looks exciting, packed with innovation, but it also demands a thoughtful approach. The tech offers new capabilities.
Dang.
The laws demand awareness. It really seems to be about finding that balance between the cool factor and the commitment involved. Something to think about as these machines become more common.